Hey guys, it's Coriel here with Twitchers Fishing. It's been a little while. It's been over a week since I posted a video, but that is because I've been waiting for this. I've been waiting for this package for a little while now. I placed this order back in January and it's finally arrived. So with that being said, because I'm excited, I thought I'd share my excitement with you guys. Why don't we just pop this sucker open and we're gonna have a look. So like I said, I placed this order back in January, so it has taken a little while for it to get here, but honestly that's okay. I ordered this through Barlow's and they've been fantastic to deal with so far, so I'm gonna keep throwing my business their way. All right, obviously receipt with everything I ordered, but let's kind of dig into the meat and bones of this thing. So lots of blanks. I ordered quite a few blanks this time around, so I will have a fair number of lures to paint. Did some lipless crankbaits as well. These ones are sinking, whereas everything else I get is pretty much floating. Got some shallow divers, some more shallow divers, all in obviously different sizes and weights. I did get some really small lipless cranks. These are really cool. I want to paint some of these up for ice fishing. And I actually forgot I ordered these. These are a shallow jointed diver that I ended up getting. So really excited to get these painted up. What else did we do? So did split ring. So split rings, VMC hooks. I did get some mesh netting for scales. I also got, obviously, there's eyes in there. I did get a texture. This is by FX. So this is their mini template for patterns. But I also got a couple fabric rings. So. And then on top of that, let me just open this guy up. I feel like a kid at Christmas, to be honest with you. I'm very excited for all this. Okay, so I did get some fabric rings. And I also got, like I said, I got the mini FX texture template. I think there's a couple different variations in there. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's got what's called a organic, master, and cosmic. If we just kind of focus in on that, you can kind of see the different template styles. And then I did get some universal square bill stencil patterns. Now I'm not sure what these are, if this is just poster board or just paper. I'm not exactly sure, but got the famous, obviously the craw pattern, and then just you know, some universal patterns, different size shad dots. So you know, I'm not sure what this stuff is actually cut out of. It doesn't feel like poster board. It feels a little bit better, so it's definitely gonna last as long as you look after it. But just a quick recap, I guess. So we've got universal square bill stencil patterns. We've got the FX texture templates, stencil patterns. We've got 2 fabric rings. Again, got a bag full of VMC hooks. We got split rings. I've got fabric in here for the fabric rings, as well as a whole bunch of different variations and sizes of eyes. And then we've got lipless crankbaits, weighted. I've got the jointed swim bait, shallow dives, shallow diving, regular shallow diving crankbaits, and then just more square bill crankbaits. So stay tuned, guys.